Mobi, we believe, is the first mobility service created from the perspective of people using a wheelchair. We allow people with a foldable wheelchair to travel around the city using this electric platform, so with less effort in a simpler way.
What we want to do is to develop further the concept and build up the first demonstrator to make it on the road as soon as possible.
The world right now is designed for people who can stand up. Our technological challenge is contributing to the redesign the world. We have developed to enable the users to have a choice of standing by using cutting-edge technologies.
Wheelchairs are difficult to push and turn. They have very small front wheels that create a lot of vibration and drag. A smart chair will alter the centre of the gravity of the chair intelligently, so there's very little weight on the front wheels, so they become very easy to turn and to push.
The device is called EvoWalk. It's a sleeve that goes around the user's leg. It has sensors that track their walking motion, and then we stimulate the right muscles at the right time to help them walk better.
The main goal with our device is to help people walk freely again. If people are losing the ability to walk, hopefully be more confident and walk more over time and regain that independence.
For people with lower limb paralysis that have mobility issues, who are primarily wheelchair users, much of the world is inaccessible. There's a phrase, there's just one step. Our device, because it's a legged robotic system, can take that one step and allow them to go wherever it is they need to go.